Hannah, and
How old are you?
I'm 6.
Hey, look, some new girl. Hey, what's
And
up?
I'm gonna build a castle.
Huh? Oh, hi. Hey, I'm Quinn. And I'm Noelle. What's your name? Caroline. You're like so old. Gee, thanks. Sorry, I just meant that you're from so long ago. Really? When are you from? You're from 1853. So like 41 years after you. Oh,
Ow! Stop doing that! Stop!
yeah, everyone
Stop!
What are you talking about? You're modern 90% of the time anyway. You know what I mean. Oh, hey, who's this? I'm Caroline. I'm from 1812. It's nice to meet you. Oh, wow. 1812? I'm Kate. I'm from 1934. Cincinnati, to be exact. Oh, I lived up the Great Lakes.
Cool.
Oh, we're from New
Who's
Orleans.
gonna knock it down?
I am.
Wow.